Good morning, family. This is Tan John. So this is the before. This was my current initial burping scarf that was done incorrectly. This is my third video. That's done. This is the new one. This one's better. It's wider. And the whole point is for mama to have her privacy while she's nursing her baby. There you go. It took a while. Again, I didn't take care of my yarn like I should have. Immediately when them packages come off, because it doesn't hold like it should. But when those packages come off, it definitely comes off. And you can either put it back on there, slide it back on there, because if you don't, it could get tangled real easy. Let me show you the back, how the back look. Again, I didn't make it a double-sided one this time because I didn't have the time. I have to mail this off. I had to mail it off. Next time I'll do a double-sided one. Yep, this is for her. Oh, and one more thing. Do you see this that's hanging out? That's for the binky. I remember as I made one for me, I made one for me and my friend. An extra for binky. This be perfect. And what you do is you just latch the binky. It may have an extra lining to it, but you latch the clamper to this part with the binky that has the extra, you don't want it too long, but extra line to it, and then you just pop the binky in the baby's mouth. There you go. If it gets too hot outside, you can cover the baby face with this right here. This is going to be so comfortable on mommy's boobs because it's soft. You want a soft type of yarn. This is this material. I think this is oh gosh, what is it called? Because I can't remember that well. It's I know it's polyester. Velvet. It's velvet mixed with polyester. That's what this is. And then this is, I think the size of this one is 4. Yeah, this is 4. This is the polyester one, 4. Because I know I got the 6, and that's a little bit fatter than this one. Now I'll show you my son's blanket. We'll talk about the sentimental pillows that I make, like the sensory pillow. If you have a child that's on a spectrum, autism, and you know they are audio sensory and touch sensory, and they like something heavy but soft, I make pillows like that. I'll show you those on my next video. Thank you.